to identify you and run your name.
Donald Trump. Piece of shit. That's what I'm saying. You guys support foreigners that don't pay taxes.
Get your ass over here! Get over here now! Get over here!
What? I'm not doing nothing.
Oh, you do something? You do it.
I didn't do nothing.
You got me?
I didn't do nothing. I had fun here. What are you talking about? I didn't do nothing.
Stop resisting, dude.
Wow, you guys.
Do what you're told to do, man. It's real simple.
I didn't do nothing.
Hey, he's telling you to do something. Do what he's telling you to do. It's real
And I'm
simple.
stepping on this.
Good?
Yeah. Wow, really? I didn't even do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
When the police tell you to do something, do it. I'll grab your glasses. Sit.
I know there's $600 for all.
Sit down. Hey,
Sit down.
I was just.
sit.
Sit down.
Wow.
Mike Warrenson.
What's that?
I'm running for president.
What's your name?
I haven't done nothing.
What is your name?
Michael Warrenson. Michael McDonald Warrenson.
Thank you, Michael.
Hey,
Michael, what's going on? Okay, so listen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and may be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney and to have him or her present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost. Do you understand your rights?
I haven't done nothing.
Okay, well, I can just take you to jail for resisting arrest because you weren't listening. So.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm dead serious. I told you to do something, and I don't need why I didn't do anything. After you come running out of the grass, you look real unsuspicious.
Give me 2 seconds, bro.
Okay, go. Your turn.
I want me to get off of work in 5 seconds. 7. Bro,
What does that have to do with anything?
I am resisting arrest. My woman gets off of work here in 5 seconds. I didn't even do shit. How am I resisting arrest?
I just told you. I'm not going to keep saying this. I've told it. What?
Have you taken anything today?
Nothing. I'm somewhere. No. She's
drink
at
anything
work.
today?
No, she's at work.
Do you have any medical, mental issues at all?
No, she's over. She's at work.
So what happened with these two guys? Do you just have nothing to say? Do you not want to talk to me? Because if you don't want to talk to me, that's fine, but I don't want to stand here.
I already lost. I mean, it's not like it's cockiness. I mean, I asked for what was going on over here, and
I'm asking your side of the story. There's two sides of every story, right?
it's cockiness.
For who? Me?
No.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what you're saying.
Oh my God! You asked me the story. Come on, bro.
I just asked what happened, and you're saying somebody was
cockiness
cocky.
of me versus them.
Okay,
We were
so
both cocky.
okay, so tell me what happened.
It's cockiness. That's it. I'm not.
Okay, so did you guys get into an argument or something?
I'm just no. She's getting off work. She's not working in a couple minutes, and I don't know. You know what? I've never seen this before. This is stupid. This is stupid as hell.
Okay, I agree because I don't know why I'm here then.
That's something. She was just taking me out to eat, and I'm like, what? And 911 does work.
Hey, I'm over here.
My bad, bro.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
And 911, I know all three of you that do. No, 911 does work. No, I just.
Okay.
Do you have an ID on you?
Stay.
You don't have an ID.
So what I heard so far that they don't want to press charges, but from what I'm hearing, we have disorderly conduct at least because he was antagonizing a fight. They just don't want any they don't want to He was trying to hit them with
Okay.
that thing.
With that.
And at one point, he grabbed somebody's phone and threw it somewhere on the sand. But again, they don't want to press charges. But like I think we have at least that.
Mumbling, kind of going around, throwing
Okay.
this, and
Do you want her to take it? I mean, I can take it. I'm not asking. It's up to you for that. Okay. Hey, I just have a question for you, okay?
No.
That like blue pond skimmer pool thing.
Coconut pole.
Okay, it's your coconut pole. Is it? It's yours then?
Yep.
I'm gonna ask another stupid question. Why?
It would be a nice vehicle. I'm sorry about that. It's a good day for a happy day. What's up, officer?
Dude,
I'm sorry, I'm so far advanced over your head.
No, you're so high right now that
No,
you
I'm
can't
not.
even
I'm not.
together.
I'm 45 years old and you're like 28.
Thank you.
That's
That
very
was really
complimentary.
nice of you.
Very nice.
There's nothing. You ain't find nothing here.
Okay, I'm not looking for anything specific
Nice
other than
horse.
like your name.
There's nothing there.
And something
Here,
with your
I'm
name.
gonna
Run for
undo this
presidency.
strap here.
You're running for the presidency?
Yeah, in 2028.
Are you on the ballot yet?
Brothers, what? Yeah, my brother's.
2028.
Yeah, I'm on the ballot. Yeah, 2028.
What's your platform? You better be faster than that if you run for
I
president.
ain't saying nothing here right now in handcuffs, ma'am. And I know y'all very good.
Who's
Trust
Todd?
me. What's that?
I'm Todd.
That's my buddy in jail. I'm holding his backpack till he gets out. That's a good friend of mine. Yeah.
That's his friend. He's holding his backpack until he gets out.
I know everybody.
Pretty glonky, huh, dude?
I know everybody. I know everybody from here to Afghanistan.
Land? You know everybody from here
I know a
to
lot of
Indiana
people.
Land?
Do you know who Donald Trump is?
Yeah. Know who he is. Never met him, but know who he is.
There you go. There you go.
When did you get out?
That's your smart.
Okay, so where have you been for the past year?
I was diving.
Driving professionally?
What? No, those aren't coming off. You already showed me that. You can't listen.
Wow.
So, did you have your coconut pole and were you yelling at those guys?
There you go.
Hey, focus.
You ain't taking them off.
No.
I ain't giving you an answer.
Okay, well, you're under arrest then.
Well, you want an answer? I want.
Disorderly conduct.
Come on, bro.
No.
It's Hill.
I gotta go with the
I goddamn
information.
billion here. Arrest for just. Man, you dumb as heel. You dumb as heel.
Okay. Dumb as heel?
Dumb as heel.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canadian border. You're dumb
No,
as
you're
heel,
not.
bro.
Indiana.
What do you? What am I disorderly conduct for? What? For you running over here and telling me what?
No.
What were you telling
Hey,
me?
I can add it a resisting arrest
asking
charge.
me?
Hey, I'm over here.
What's up, big boy?
So do you wanted to go with another charge for threatening people?
Nope.
So if you want to piss them off right now,
I'll give
these
you-
guys, hey, listen, look at me, okay? I'm going to talk man to man to you, okay? So you're going to look at me. So these guys, with what they are telling me and you not saying anything back to refute that, they don't want to pursue charges. However, if they do and you piss them off, you're going to jail for aggravated assault with a weapon. So if you want to keep it up, I'm good with that.
I'll throw you all $10,000. Come on.
We saw your money, it's fake.
Oh,
I
you
see where you're
don't
going.
Bro. Alright. Anything then?
So you can't come to the beaches or anywhere else in town or anywhere else in the country for that matter and have something in your hands and just trying to antagonize people
not.
and trying
Never
to
again.
elicit a fight.
I will never.
Okay?
Never.
You can't take people's phones from them and throw them from them. That is theft. And because of the value, it's a felony. So I want you to understand
I'm already a
that these
millionaire.
guys want to be done here.
I'm already a
So
millionaire.
they don't want you to go to jail for multiple felonies, which would be really, really easy right now.
Yeah. I'm already a millionaire. That shit don't even make any sense.
Good for you.
Come on.
Then you'll have money to bail yourself out.
No.
It'll only take like $250 too. No, I'm dead serious.
I'm going to jail.
Yeah.
Darn it, bro.
He's got a wall in his pocket.
No.
He doesn't have anything in his pockets.
City property. There you go.
Public disruption. Say hi right here.
You got everything? You taking this? You taking this?
What?
Are you taking
Are you taking this
this?
case? Just kidding.
Sure. Why not?
That's what I got told by your FTO. All right. Do you have everything you need from them? All right. You guys do not want to pursue charges, correct? Did you find that phone that got tossed? Okay, cool. You guys are good to go then. Thank you for staying. Thank you for calling. We will deal with him, and this won't be a problem anymore, okay?
Okay, that's good.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
Fair enough to ask about it.
I did not search him real well for his pockets.
Okay. I'll grab him back at the car.
Okay. Sergeant Rodriguez went through his bag.
Okay.
But his pockets are unsearched other than for weapons. Yeah, we got his name, or we did at one point. Now he's being a pain in the ass.
Why? So I really don't care because you're going to be the one sitting there.
down here. I didn't know anything was just going to evolve.
Hey, are you a convicted felon?
No,
No, but you went to
But
jail
you're
for killing a
beating
guy,
someone
right?
to death.
no,
And 150 other crimes, right?
no.
That's what you said.
He's a billionaire, just so you know.
Misdemeanor.
Also, he's running for president in 2028.
2028.
Yep.
That makes sense.
Okay, what's your name?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, that's fine. They'll figure it out.
Mark,
You know,
well, I mean,
once
Mark,
you sit there.
why?
Because you don't want to give us your name. We're conducting an
I'm already
investigation.
going.
It
For
doesn't-
what?
Well, now you're going to get another charge.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's fine. This guy's an excellent writer.
great.
So
Why
he'll
do you
be
need my
happy.
name?
Because we need to identify you and run your name.
Donald Trump.
That's not your name.
That's identity theft.
That's another charge.
That's it.
Wow, you guys.
Okay, that's fine.
What's the point of this? I was convicted on nothing here. Y'all ran down here and hit me on nothing. I was investigating on nothing.
Okay.
Go.
He told you to stop. I watched him, and you almost did a little song and dance over this.
I thought you were gonna
Keep
run.
walking. I'm keep walking. When you walking, you keep walking, or you stop walking.
When the police tell you to stop, that's when you stop.
Yes.
I did stop walking. That's what I'm saying. Yo, come on, bro.
Where are you from?
This is dumb as hell. Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Are you really?
Yeah.
That's
I am.
unfortunate.
Explain.
You haven't seen it.
That explains a lot. You're from North Minneapolis, aren't
Come
you?
on, man. This is
Are you from
dumb as
South Minneapolis? You got all them billions.
hell. Yeah, I'm a millionaire, bro.
Oh.
Y'all wrapping up a rap.
You were a billionaire a minute ago.
All
All right.
Trump,
Wow.
let's
Wow.
go. Stand up.
Wrapping up fucking.
That car.
What car? You're walking. Because when you walk, you keep walking. You don't stop.
I'm arrested for what?
Disorderly conduct.
Bunch of lies? Bunch of lies by a bunch of what? People from what? I don't believe what?
Come on, keep walking.
I know everybody here. I didn't know. I'm good. I'm okay.
No, not you. I was talking to the guy in the studio that wanted to look
Y'all
backwards.
arrested me? Yeah.
Oh,
That's
okay.
going go.
All right, stand right here. Stand against the car.
Against the car. Stand over here. There you go.
I ain't moving. Jack's moving. Right here.
Move your feet apart.
Nope. I ain't getting no fucking charges, bro.
All right.
Nope. I ain't doing nothing.
You're resisting right now, buddy.
I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing. I haven't done nothing. There's no charges. I ain't doing nothing. That's the person I am. I'm the person I am.
Search him.
I'm the person I am. I'm the person I am. Yep. There's no reason you have to do that to plead me. You extort me like that. Yep.
Check this.
There's no reason you extort me like that. No reason you extort me like that. Yep. No reason you extort me like that. I'm the same person I've been my whole life. I'm 45 years old. I'll live. Yep. Everybody knows who I am.
I don't know. I thought they
My
were.
brothers are my good lambs from the United States. And I know everybody. I am not my own. You know,
I heard that too, right?
That's
Double luck.
There you go.
Good.
All right, sit.
There's no reason to start me.
Get in.
I ain't doing nothing. There's no reason to start me.
Get in.
I'm fine.
There's going to be here.
Totally fine. You just add them charges. There's no reason for it.
That's all you, bro.
I haven't done
Move your hands over. Move your hands over so I can plug this in here.
No, I can't do nothing. How am I supposed to?
How are you supposed to move? That's kind of the point of this.
Wow.
And that's just a seatbelt. Hey, there's a camera recording back there, just so you know.
Hey, Robert.
Toothbrush. I thought there was razor blades. Maybe it was a different thing. Well, there's no sharps there. Yeah.
Wow. That's stupid as hell. Woo! I like that. Other people may buy bomb and fun as hell. We get good, you know. But I don't know. Are you know? Just don't have it. My grandma. Nice dog. What the fuck is that? Is moving our email on? This gives him his air in his motherfucker. Please, air in here. Please, sorry. And air. I have no air, bro. You don't give two shits. I know I don't. I understand. I was a retarded FBI agent too. First I am over. Yeah. Lawsuit. That's what I do. It's all in about. I'm getting charged for a foreigner that doesn't pay taxes in the United States, rat out a United States citizen. There you go. You support it. Amen. You guys support that shit. There you go. You deserve nothing less than bullshit.
Seems like Key West would not be the place for you.
That's bullshit.
This is not the right place for you.
I was just flying out actually this week.
Yeah, you should probably go back to your town.
Well, you really? Fucking here's 8 months in jail. Piece of shit. That's what I'm saying. You guys support foreigners that don't pay taxes.